Smells like toothpaste.
Toothpaste? You about to have some cavities fixed? They're about to give you laughing gas? You think you're gonna be laughing? It's okay, okay? I'm right here. Well, you're all done? You got your first cavity filled? You had some laughing gas? How do you feel?
Wait, I got laughing gas?
Yeah. How do you feel? Did it hurt? You can tell your face is kind of numb. Is your cheek numb? What did the doctor tell you not to do, or the dentist?
Chew on my cheek.
Don't chew on your cheek. But we're gonna go. You can't have anything to eat, but we can go get you a shake. Okay, you wanna go drink a shake? Mm-hmm. Okay. You got a little toy? Okay. Let's all head home.
You're so cute.
Yeah.
If you look close enough, you'll find your roosters out here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they're loose.
You want 3 more? Sure, come over and throw them loose. They turn it into a crock pot.
They don't fight. They don't fight.
They do a little bit, but they get over it fast. Yeah.
They're not like the other roosters though.
Yeah. I mean, there's a lot more land for them. Well, we got 4 of them there, and they'll fight a little bit in the morning.
Just don't touch those whites because they're deep lamps and they'll burn.
I couldn't turn them.
Better. Look at her, too.
And they all, like you said, they fight for a little bit.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Hello everybody, it's Kerry from the Schmidt House, and about to head out to the property today because we got a hog trap. We got a hog trap and we're going to put it out and see if we have any luck. Last video we posted with the hogs in it, talked a little bit about trying to buy one and the guy kind of ghosting us on it. My daughter saw that and she reached out and said her and her husband, my son-in-law, they had a trap and they weren't using it, and we could definitely borrow it. So we went and picked it up, and we're going to see if we have any luck. My son-in-law said he's caught, up to like 6 or 7 hogs at one time in this trap. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully we'll have that kind of luck. Hopefully we'll get some hogs, small ones for our freezer. And he wanted a couple of small ones to train some of his dogs with. So we'll see what's going to happen.
It's a muddy mess.
Yeah. I'd like to back it and get it right up in there somewhere.
Over there in the taller grass?
Yeah, just by those trees, a little closer to the trees so we can put the camera on it.
Okay. Yeah. Works for me.
Find a little flat spot. We need to find a flat spot where it sits pretty flat.
Okay.
That would be better. But if we can't, we'll just unload it right here somewhere.
Okay. You can, yeah, you're way over that way. If you want to straighten out, okay, you're sliding. There we go. You gotta walk around. Hey, what's going on right now?
We're stuck.
It was a little bit too wet. Wetter than what we thought. What's Daddy going to do right now? He's going to get the skid steer. We'll be okay. We'll figure it out.
Me and Avery are fighting.
Well, don't do that. There's nothing to be scared of.
I'm not scared.
Worst thing that can happen is that we leave the truck and we just go walk back to camp. No big deal. We come get it when it dries up.
Yeah.
Okay? Daddy's gonna go get the skid steer.
So he can move a D so we don't bump into it.
Yeah, so we can get the trailer off the truck and then we'll get out of here. Don't worry, okay? Here comes Carrie to the rescue with the skid steer. Hopefully we can figure something out. Okay, I'm driving and Daddy's got the skid steer. We gotta see if we can keep from hitting this tree. He's gonna get us some chin-chin on here. Let's see here. And Harmony and Avery, y'all are gonna be very good in the back. Good and quiet, right? Right. Okay, here we go. Let me watch to see what Daddy's doing. Back window's all fogged up, it's hard to see.
You can maybe not make it foggy.
Hold on. Cannot see.
Or to help. It's fogged on the outside, not the inside. But do it.
Trying to watch for signals from Daddy. I think we're stopping here. Okay, I'm putting it in park. Okay, we got out of the hole, so that's good. Turn it off. Turn it off. Okay. Yay. Okay.
Okay. Just slide it off by hand.
Maybe.
And we don't have to unload all this.
Oh
other
yeah.
stuff.
Well, we worked. We got unstuck.
Yeah. Well, we're not out of here yet.
That's true.
We weren't really stuck. We just
No.
can't get no traction. It's all slick.
Mud. Okay, we're gonna try to get this off. Got a little rain coming down again. Carrie's gonna pull the pickup forward. And hopefully this thing will just fall off. We'll have to figure out where we're gonna put the camera, but that's a minor thing.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna make it.
You don't think you're gonna make it?
Logs in the way.
We need to move it more. That's coming off. That's off. Yeah. You're gonna hit it. If it slides that way, it's good. No. You're okay.
got our trap set up. I don't know if that's correct, but it looks like it might work. We got corn and alfalfa. We're gonna put the bulk of it up in here. Put a little bit out there. Let's open this up. Close it back up. Put the rest up, dump it all in here. So there's this cover on here. Our son-in-law Rolando, it's his trap, and he said they put this on here and it deters the deer from going in there. Since he's put this on there, they've hardly had any deer in the trap. So we'll see what happens.
Okay, I'm gonna find a place to put this camera.
Oh yeah, we need to put the camera up.
Okay, we got the camera over there. And we'll check it tomorrow before we leave. But we gotta go get the truck out now.
Yeah, it's stuck.
Okay, I'm gonna walk over there. Are you good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pull around the front of it, and we'll hook onto one of those hooks, and I'll just back up.
Okay.
I think once we get it out to that corner, we'll be okay.
We'll be going downhill.
Well, we're just in that real black.
Yeah.
Muddy stuff there.
Okay.
Well, the windshield cell on the skid steer is so dirty, I doubt you can see, but I'm about to try to pull the pickup out of this mud hole. I don't know if I can do it with the holding the camera. I'm gonna have to pull the camera down. This isn't working.
Did we get the truck out or is it still stuck over there?
It's good.
Yay, we got the truck out. We took a tree or two out on the way. But that's okay. Looks like the trailer maybe got bent a little bit. Okay, let me clean this mess up. At least we're out though. Carrie's getting the little cooking thing we have up there so we can do some cooking later. You okay?
No. Home nightmare. But the trap's there anyway.
Yeah.
Let's see if it's gonna work. We got the truck out, took a few trees out, but couldn't make it up the hill to get our fire pit, but that's okay.
We'll just use
We'll
the...
make do.
Yeah, we'll figure something. Oh, I'm sorry. I was pointing at something. I didn't see you. Okay, you want to step 2, Daddy?
Yes, I want to step 2, 3,
As
and 4.
as some of our...
That's Steve Wallace.
Yeah, another channel we watch.
Yes. That's the cap off my drink.
Okay, Daddy's got his step 2.
Oh, let
I've
me
got
get
mine.
my step 2.
Yep, where's yours?
My step 2 is.
Let's see. There's Harmony's.
This is
Where did
not
you do
real
with your
step
root
2,
beer,
this is just
Avery?
my favorite.
I think it's right over there too. It's right there.
Yes,
It's right there. Go
behind
get yours. All three of the 4 of us have a beer.
Well, not beer, but
It's still beer.
Root beer.
Just root beer.
I have my favorite drink.
Okay, we just went up top and got our little cooking thing. Carrie couldn't get all the way up there at the skid steer since it was so slippery. So we rolled it down to where he could get it, and then he's carrying it the rest of the way. That used to be our camping location up there. It's a really nice view, but we camp down here now since we have the shed. Okay, let me try to keep from getting completely muddy again.
So our wood's pretty saturated wet, but I found a few pieces down at the bottom of the pile that had some dry areas. Put some charcoal underneath it, soaked them with charcoal lighter fluid. We'll light it, hopefully that'll get us started. Once we get it started, then we just slowly feed the wet wood on top of it, and it should dry out. Should burn, hopefully. If not, we'll be using a propane burner to cook. Steaks are still frozen, but they'll be okay. Put salt, pepper, and garlic on them.
Okay, and I'm gonna get the corn ready so we can toss them in the fire. Just put some butter in here and wrap. These are frozen, so it's gonna take them a little while too. What are you cooking those in?
Beef tallow from our brisket that we just rendered.
So if you haven't already seen it, we should have a video that'll come out right before this one of Carrie making beef tallow. So check that out and some of our other videos.
We cook it kind of slow because they're frozen. That's okay. Got salt, pepper, and garlic on them. Beef tallow.
Our Valentine's meal, St. Valentine's meal.
Andrew's cutting one of them up. They look good.
Yeah.
Little pink in there. Girls don't like them too pink. That'll be perfect. They'll like that. You try a piece?
Not yet. Oh my goodness. Delicious. Avery probably won't eat any. Okay, it's the next morning, and we all slept pretty good. Just a little bit chilly this morning, and we're gonna drive down to see if there's anything in the hog trap.
Hopefully there is.
That's not what you said earlier.
Yeah. That was when I was still in bed, though.
Yeah.
I want to see baby hogs.
We'll see.
You got the company.
Here, you'll get to see the trees we took out yesterday.
No, I don't want to.
I pushed this one back in there a little bit.
Did you? Okay.
With the skid steer. It's kind of blocking the road a little bit.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We got a nice, good white turn now.
That one's gone. And there was one right here, too, I think.
Yeah. Yeah, there's definitely one right here on the corner.
Yeah, it took it out by the roots.
It did, really? Oh, I don't know.
Nothing.
I don't see anything. yesterday when we were slipping and sliding everywhere. I don't think it's triggered either.
Nope.
Nothing?
No joy this morning.
Oh. Bunch of doves. No, nothing this morning. Okay, well, we'll leave it and we'll just have to start checking it daily now. Like some little smoky sausages and eggs. We can make tacos for breakfast this morning.
As long as it's to cook my delicious food, I don't mind you using my cup for anything. Is it okay that it smells like
You sleep okay, Harmony?
Why do we put our eggs in this?
Because it's much easier to transport eggs when they're already broken and they're all ready to go, and then you just keep it in the ice chest like this and you just pour it in there.
True.
Okay, I'm ready for them.
Okay, Dave.
Oh, this will be so good.
Oh, they're probably gonna stick pretty bad on this one.
Oh,
You're using a bundle for eggs?
why not?
I can put it. Thank you. Why is everything better whenever I told no?
Just is.
Well, I mean,
And everything's always better when you're really hungry.
I heard your stomach growling this morning.
I'm starving.
Did you eat all your steak last night?
She left some of the fat.
Oh my gosh, no wonder.
The
you're
best
hungry.
part.
I ate most of the fat. Like, maybe 1% of the fat.
Carrie's putting out the last of the rice seed before we leave. Since we got a wet ground right now. Semi-wet.
Well, we're all packed up and we're gonna go ahead and head home. Avery's sick and Harmony's not being cooperative this morning. She's too high energy to be sitting in this little building, so we're gonna go home. But anyway, we got the trap out, got stuck, went through all that fiasco and checked it this morning. There was nothing in it, but I think we made so much of a ruckus down there yesterday getting stuck and getting out. Probably didn't help things. Hopefully in the next coming days we'll have some pigs in there to show you. Think about subscribing, liking, and God bless.
Okay, we're heading out on the road and I'm sure we're gonna be slinging mud, so I'm gonna stay back a little bit.